Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create brochure mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So it's going to be a fake 3D mockup as you see in the image. So without further ado, jump into Photoshop and create a new document, create a new layer, name it guide, and use a hard brush to create a rough guide to show you how each side of the brochure is going to fold. So it is up to you how you're gonna fold them. So that's how I'm gonna draw the guide and use this guide to fold each side of the brochure. Yeah, that's the guide, and now I'm gonna use the rectangle tool to create 4 layers the same size. So because it is going to be a 4-fold brochure, so I will make 4 copy of these layers. Change the color of each layers and then align them vertically, and then convert each of the layer to a smart object. Use transform option to align each single of the layer according to the guide as we created, and play around each single of the layers to make it as good as possible. I'm gonna speed up the video because it is a long process. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. I will answer as soon as possible. Beautiful. Now I'm going to replace every single layer with a brochure, and you will see the result very quick. And then I'm going to create the special effects like drop shadow and inner shadow, cast shadows, and edit the background, and we will get to the end. As you see, the final brochure is very flat, so to give is a little bit more effect and make it looks like 3D, or add some shadow using gradient tool and some other technique. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it and learn something. If you have any question, make sure you leave comment. I will answer as quick as possible. And make sure to subscribe Jump in Design for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.